Hello our art friends! Today in Kitty Candle, we are going to learn how to draw sparks from SuperKitties. So let's start drawing. First, draw a curved line for the top of the head and make it slightly tilted. Draw an upside down letter V on each side for the ears. And make the right one slightly tilted downward. Inside each ear, draw a triangle. Connect the two ears together with a half circle at the bottom to make the face outline. For the eye, draw a circle. Then make a curved line on top with a winged end for the eyelashes. Draw two smaller circles inside for the iris and the pupil. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other ear. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Color the eyelashes on both eyes and the pupils, leaving white spots to show light reflection. For the mask, draw a long curved line above the eyes that is lower in the middle. Draw a letter C on the left side around the left eye. And its mirror image on the other side. Then connect them together at the bottom with a half circle. Repeat the same steps again to make the mask double line. Under the mask, draw a triangular shape for the nose. Then draw two half circles connected to each other. Then draw a half circle under them for the smiley mouth. Inside the mouth, draw tiny teeth at the bottom and the tongue. For the arm, draw a line coming out from the left side of the face and another line under it. Then draw the hand by drawing the thumb first, followed by the other fingers. Draw two lines near the end of the arm. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other arm. Draw a line coming down from each arm to make the body. Connect the two lines at the bottom with a horizontal line. Then add another line on top to make the belt. Draw the buckle in the middle with double lines. Draw a curved line coming down from the left side of the belt. Draw a curved line on the other side that looks like a mirror image of the letter S. Complete the left leg by drawing the paw. Then extend the line going upwards towards the middle. Make the paw of the right leg Then extend a wavy line similar to the one next to it, connecting the two legs in the middle. Draw two lines near the end of each leg. And draw a heart on the chest area, surrounded by a square to make the SuperKitties logo. Decorate the suit with double lines on the upper body and the legs. Decorate Spark's fur with some irregular shapes above the eyes and on the sides of the mat. Draw a long tail coming out from the right side of the body. Decorate the tail with some half circles. Mission possible! Now you can draw Sparks from SuperKitties. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.